everyone, so today we're going to be making some more salt solutions. But with these salt solutions, we're going to be saturating them. We don't know what that means yet, but we're going to be trying to figure out what it means, and then we're going to learn the definition by the end of today. So, the question that we're going to be answering is there a limit to the amount of salt that will dissolve in 50 milliliters of water? So I'm going to put my 50 milliliters of water into this water bottle. Then I'm going to figure out, well, how many spoonfuls of salt can I put in and it still dissolve? So let's find out. Okay, so 50 milliliters of water into my water bottle. Then let's start putting some salt in. So I'm going to be using spoonfuls. So spoonful, then I have to shake. I have to make sure it dissolves and know that it dissolves before I can add another one, okay? So this is scoop number 1. Okay, put my lid on. Notice it in there. It's all at the bottom. Now we gotta shake. We gotta make it dissolve. So I'm gonna shake a little bit more. And then for the most part, it looks like it dissolved. You can't really see those piles you could before. So I'm gonna go ahead and add scoop number 2. Okay, scoop number 2 in. Put the cap on. And we're gonna see if this will dissolve. So I'm still shaking number 2. I don't know if you can tell. It's not really big piles. So I would say this one dissolved as well for the most part. So let's go ahead and add another one in. So this will be spoonful number 3. Okay. Scoop 3. I'm going to do the same thing. Make sure it's on nice and tight. Let's see if it'll dissolve. This is 3 scoops of salt. So I'm still mixing 3 scoops of salt, and it's easy for me to see. It's not really in clumps at the bottom. I'll show you. You can't really see the clumps at the bottom. And I'll show you what the clumps look like when I put in scoop number 4. So we really know the difference between it still being at the bottom and if it dissolved. So scoop number 4. And see, you can see those clumps right here and here. Those are clumps of the salt. It's not dissolved in. So number 4, let's mix it up, see if it dissolves. So I've been shaking up number 4, scoop number 4, and to me it looks like it's not dissolving. Notice you can still see that big clump of salt there. Meaning, so number 4, it was too much. It wouldn't dissolve anymore. But remember, we're asking ourselves how many scoops of salt we can put in before it can't dissolve anymore. So we were able to put 3 scoops of salt that could dissolve, and then that's not dissolving anymore. So that 4th scoop saturated it. So let's answer those questions, see what we noticed, what did I do, and then we're going to get into some vocab words about what it meant to saturate this before we actually see how much salt, how many grams saturated the salt solution.